Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about the square root. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can see that the square root of x to the power of 3, we can multiply by the square root of x to the power of 5 because they are on the square root. And the next one, the square root of number 18, we can put the square root of number 9 multiply by number 2. So number 3 and number 5 we can put like this. So number 6, that is about number 3 multiplied by number 2. This one we have number 8. So the square root of number 2 with the square root of number 2, you got number 2 in here. Next, the square root of number 9, that is about number 3. The square root of x to the power of 8, we have x to the power of number 4. And now, number 2 with number 2, we have number 4. Number 4 with number 3, we have number 12. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.